Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous blouse. Very stylish, very easy to make. So let's begin. As you can see, I've already folded my fabric into 4. The measurements are on screen. You can alter the measurements to suit your needs. For this project, you need a very flowy fabric, light material, nothing too thick. So firstly, begin by measuring 2 inches for the neck depth, then 3 inches for the neck width. Join these 2 points together as shown. Now on the other side of the fabric, measure 6 inches for the armhole. This measurement can be adjusted for yourself. Once you've done these simple measurements, you can carefully cut out the neckline. Place a pin at the armhole measurements. And this is how your pattern should now look. You can now go ahead and pin the sides of the blouse. Now onto the sewing machine, begin by hemming the blouse, so the front part of the blouse and the back end of the blouse. You can now repeat for the other side. Trim any excess threads. Once you've hemmed the blouse, you can go ahead and just hem the neckline. And once you've finished the neckline, you can go ahead and hem the armhole opening. And you can go ahead and hem just below the 6-inch mark that you made. Once you've hemmed the armhole opening, you can go ahead and stitch the side of the blouse from the 6-inch point. If you haven't already, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. It really does help me out a lot. So you can now go ahead and hem the other armhole opening for the other side. Then go ahead and stitch the side of the blouse. Once you've done this, you've finished your blouse. It really is that simple. And here's the final look. This is how it looks on. I've styled it here with a pair of trousers. I've tucked the front in. You can style it however you like. And here, as you can see, I've styled it with a skirt. So it's a very versatile blouse. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.